Hello all, welcome to Civil Bureau. Today we are going to discuss Junior Engineer Civil and Electrical Notification in the Reserve Bank of India. In this video, we are going to discuss how many vacancies there are, important dates, age limits, educational qualifications, scheme of selection, and most importantly, pay scale, enhanced salary, and promotion criteria for the junior engineer and above cadres in the Reserve Bank of India. So please watch till the end to get complete information. We will start with the number of vacancies. There are a total 7 vacancies for civil and 4 vacancies for electrical. Here we can see the different recruitment zones: east, west, north, south and central. Now we are going to see which states come under these zones. You can see on the screen which zone comes under which cities. You can pause the screen and check that. Actually, you also have to pass the language proficiency test after the written exam. We will discuss that at the end of the video. Now we are going to see the important dates. Application submission window has already started on April 16th. It will end on May 6th, 2026. Payment dates are also the same. The tentative date of the online examination is June 6th, 2026, which is on Saturday. You can plan accordingly. If we come to the job description for civil engineering, it mainly involves handling and supervision of civil construction and maintenance works related to RBI campuses and quarters. You can see the same for the electrical in the given job description on the screen. Now, if we come to the age part, the minimum age requirement is 20 years and maximum is 30 years. This can be relaxed by 5 years for SC/ST candidates and 3 years for the OBC candidates. But remember, if you want to get age relaxation, you should have vacancy availability in that reservation category. For example, if you belong to central zone and there is no OBC vacancy, then you cannot avail OBC age relaxation. You can avail OBC age relaxation for civil in west zone only. Now we will come to the education qualification. For junior engineer civil, a minimum 3-year diploma in civil engineering or a degree in civil engineering is required. The same applies for junior engineer electrical, where a diploma or degree in electrical engineering is required. Now main thing here is experience. For junior engineer civil, at least 2 years of experience is required for diploma holders, or at least 1 year experience for degree holders in execution and supervision of civil construction works. 1 year apprentice also considered in PSUs. The same goes for electrical. You can pause the screen and see the experience criteria for junior engineer electrical. Now we will come to the scheme of selection. This contains 2 parts: online examination and language proficiency test. In the online examination, the following sections will be there: English language, engineering discipline paper 1, engineering discipline paper 2, general intelligence and reasoning. For English paper and general reasoning paper, there will be 50 questions for 50 marks each. For engineering papers, there will be 40 questions for 100 marks. So each question carries 2.5 marks, which makes the engineering section very important. One more important thing is the candidates have to qualify in each part of the objective test separately. You will be given separate timing for each section. You will also need to get minimum qualifying marks in each section. They did not mention exact qualifying marks for each part, but most of the time it varies between 35% to 40%. In the examination, after finishing the English section, that section will close automatically, and then engineering discipline paper 1 will open. After that, paper 2 will open, and the general intelligence and reasoning. Now, if you observe carefully, for English language, 50 questions and 40 minutes time is given. For engineering discipline, 40 questions and 40 minutes time is given. Whereas for reasoning, 50 questions and only 30 minutes time is given. So the game changing section here is reasoning. Why? Because many candidates may fail to get minimum qualifying marks in reasoning. That is why you need to be very fast while solving reasoning section. Now we will come to the language proficiency test. Candidates provisionally selected from the online examination will have to undergo language proficiency test. So the main thing here is that you should know the local language of the zone for which you are applying. Now we will see the zone wise languages. You can see on the screen for east zone, west zone, north zone, south zone, and central zone. If you are applying for one zone, you must know the any one of the languages of zone, otherwise you will be disqualified. In language proficiency test, there may be asking only basic grammar. So if the language is your mother tongue, you can clear the LPT very easily. Next we'll come to the list of examination centers. You can check the examination centers given here. Most of the major cities are already mentioned, so you need not to worry about that. Now we come to the pay scale part. Actually, this junior engineer job is equivalent to RBI assistant. Usually, RBI assistant basic pay starts with around 29,000, but for JE, they are giving 9 advance increments. So the basic pay becomes 47,700 rupees. Different allowances will also be there. At present, monthly gross emoluments are approximately 91,309 rupees. Apart from that, you will get 15% HRA, or you will get the quarters. Most of the time, getting quarters is the better option because 15% of the basic pay may be less in many cities and may not be sufficient for the house rent. So availing quarters can be very good option. Many other prerequisites are also there. You can pass the screen and see those benefits. I made a model payslip for RBI JE based on RBI assistant payslip, and you can watch it on the screen now. This is a model salary statement. Approximately 47,700 basic pay and several allowances are included. Around 91,700 is coming as per my calculation. Various deductions and contributions will also be there. One more thing is that you have to contribute to NPS. 10% of basic pay plus DA will be deducted from your employee side. Employer also contributes 14% of basic plus DA. Both amounts will be transferred to your NPS accounts. If anyone avails quotas, then license fee will also be deducted. You can go through the model salary statement. Now we are going to discuss the promotion policy and hierarchy in RBI. You will start with support staff cadre. That is junior engineer. Within 3 to 5 years, you can become assistant manager, which is equivalent to grade A. From assistant manager to manager, it may take to 7 to 10 years, depends upon vacancies. From manager to assistant general manager also approximately takes 7 years. After that, every 5 years approximately you may get promotions depending upon the vacancies. But for civil and electrical cadres, promotions may go only up to general manager level. As per my information, I have not seen promotion to CGM and above for technical cadre. So these are the main things I want to discuss in this video. If you have any doubts regarding this notification, please feel free to comment below. If you want this type of information for any other notification, please comment that also. I will try to make a video on it. My next video will be on Specialist Officer Recruitment in Punjab National Bank. Please like this video and share it with your friends who need this information. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. अगर आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में भी चाहिए तो मैं हिंदी में भी बना सकता हूँ, और हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों मिक्स करके भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ. अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो कमेंट में बता देना, मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम से वो भी इंक्लूड करूँगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग टिल नाउ.